Hello everyone, today I'm trying to introduce our CS5310 final project. I am Yicheng and another team is Hanwen. So our project is our grass rendering bounty, which is an update from our traditional Stanford bounty, and plus with the material I just saw from the online is their Unity grass shelter total. So basically it's just to change their shredder project in their files and can make the project look like exactly how many grasses add on, and after the smooth of the shredder is goes, it have more grass and can go with like wings, like this one. So the code part is mainly two parts, which is kind of challenging and need algorithm. The first one is geometry, shader in here, and another one is object. The object we use our classes program, which is traditionally it's personal design how to reading their object model into there. It can be using their all the VN or VIF and put them together. It's a traditional object ones. We have used other tricks to do that. It's fully developed amongst ourselves. The second one is geometry analysis. So you can see this is basically your new shader files we create. We create a domain data. We create a geometry data. There also it's a vector 3 and a vector 4 difference. So and then we create the difference between dark green and light green, which is a different color, and the verticals of different glosses. So after doing that, we have a rotation. The rotation is actually looking like wings. Then it's rand, and so also create them with the files are provided by this file status. After that, this is the main. So we can see the rotation we written. The rotation written here is just create how it's going with wind. It's have a force forward and back, forward and back. It looks like the wind is below from the surface. So you can see here is how to create our original positions of that, and after doing that we can add more density to them to create new rotation places, and with more and more the rotations go forward like this. It's using a for loop to manage to do that. Okay, so basically that's just all the code part we applied from the materials given, and now we can see how the code works. So first we're going to see the part 1 files, and we were going to run python build.py. So the project has been created, so we're going to run the project. So now you can see this is a fully grasped field on front. So there are different, there are totally 4 buttons we can press, which is W, 1, 2, and up arrows. So we can click W, listening to 2 different triangles create a surface, and we can go to bounding. So it become a bounding also created by different surfaces, and then we can go +1, it will become into a grasses mode, and we click 1 again, it will come back to the bounding, and we click 2 again, it will back to their surface. So basically is 1 is switching from the wild mode, surface mode, to the grass mode. The 2 is switched from the bounding and the surface, and the W is to switch from their wild mode or just their common field mode. So let's go with the field mode first, which is surface, and we go to the grass mode. So to be more clear, so we can go back to the wild mode, and we're going to, we can see after we click our arrows, it's being added for different it's been sliced, more triangles and more surfaces can be created. So we keep adding them. So you can see the surface has been adding to the max. Then we click into the grass mode. It looks like this. And we click at the field mode. It will look like real glasses flowing by the winds. And we can switch to the bounding. So this is the regular bounding we have. It's only it's the initial bounding we have. So we can click into wild mode looks more good, and we can click into 1, so you can see This is a bunny with a wired mode, and when we add more, it's been filled. So we switch them into grasses, so you can see how it's more effect. It's like a fluffy bunny toys we have, and we add more, it will go like this. So when we switch them wild mode, you can see it's actually have more visualized effects to figure out how the bunny model looks like, and it's flowing go with wind. And there we have more add-on features.